how to permanently delete your Wix account. So here I've just loaded wix.com. We want to click on our icon in the top right corner and then go into account settings. Now from this page that loads, we want to make sure that we are still on account settings. And if we scroll down at the very bottom here, we should be able to see right here, close your account. To close your account, first move any remaining sites to trash. If your sites have any premium plans or domains connected, you would need to cancel or transfer them first. So here, if we click on close your account, it's going to load up a new page like so. We will need to select a reason for closing the account. It's optional actually, but we can just do this. We can also give some feedback, and in order to close our account, we'll need to fill out our Wix password. And then the last thing that we need to do is check this box here. I understand that closing my account will delete all my data or remove all my data. And if we click on close account, then that's going to permanently delete our Wix account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.